Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This time I have got my hands on two of these Barbie Deluxe dolls and I am very pleased with how they look. At the time there are 4 of these deluxe style Barbie dolls to choose from, plus one extra deluxe midge doll. So let's open this girl. I really didn't want to ruin the packaging too much, but I opened it at the bottom and I will pull out the doll gently. I got a bit stuck, but it works. Okay, so let's see. She is absolutely stunning and I do love the hair. I wasn't sure about the hair at first because it looks like a thready kind of hair, but it is really beautiful. It's my first doll with this kind of hair. It's like braids, but it's a bit like yarn, but it looks fantastic actually. So I was happy with it. And the clothes are in a like flannel kind, which is kind of unusual when it comes to Barbie dolls. I don't remember seeing these kind of flannel clothes in any other Barbie dolls for a very long time. So it is a bit why I chose the doll. I think they are all quite beautiful, the Barbie Deluxe dolls, but I love this one and the Millie Barbie the most. I felt I should speed up this moment a bit because she was a bit stuck. I didn't want to ruin the hair, but you know, the collectors know. Really don't want to cut the doll. I don't really understand how kids pull this off, but okay. She is absolutely stunning. I really love her very much, and the hair is so beautiful to touch. I like the feeling of the hair. To me, the outfit is absolutely amazing. I don't really like the handbag, but I like the ring. The handbag is, I could do without it. It looks like some kind of My Little Pony handbag or something, but the ring is cool, and I really like the hands. The hands are very beautiful. I don't know if it's a difference, but I'll show you later. The outfit is stunning, and the hair is stunning. The glasses are stunning, and her face is stunning. I really love this doll. I really do. It feels like a very expensive Barbie doll, but she was like in Sweden. She was like 25 euros, and in Sweden that's cheap. Maybe in other countries it's more expensive. I really do love this Barbie Deluxe doll. It's a very beautiful doll. I could have gotten her just for the outfit only, but she is all over a beautiful doll. I like everything about her except the handbag, and I am really happy that they have started to make the Playline dolls more beautiful and affordable, so children can enjoy really beautiful Barbie dolls also, and not just for collectors. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm really happy that you have made it to my channel, so please like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll be back with Millie Barbie Deluxe dolls soon. Thank you, bye.